Let's highlight fewer than 5 sides, which means shapes with 4 sides, shapes with 4 sides, okay? Shapes with 3 sides, also fine. But shapes with 5 sides or more, we will not circle them. 4 sides, let's see. 4 sides means any quadrilateral, square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus. Actually, we call all of them quadrilateral, but there are some special quadrilaterals, which we give it a name, like rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezoid, all of those. So we will search for a triangle. We will search for a triangle or a quadrilateral shape. Maybe a square, a rectangle, a trapezoid. We will search here. Let's see and do it together. So let's circle all the triangles. We have here 1 triangle, 2 triangles. Okay. Which shapes have 4 sides? Which shapes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is this shape has with fewer than 5 sides or more? More. So we will not circle it because it's not with the rule. It's not correct. In the rule, we need shapes with fewer than 5 sides. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's 5 sides. Did the rule say shapes with 5 sides or fewer than 5 sides? Fewer than. So we cannot circle this shape. Let's see our last shape. We have here a square, which means how many sides? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is a square has fewer than 5 sides? Yes, it has 4 sides. So we will circle it. Okay? Now, let's move to the next page, page 737. Okay. Now, I want you to do the following questions on your own and check the answers in the answer key. I want you to do this and to do this one. So you should do those 2 questions and check the answers in the answer key. Okay? Now we will solve question number 5 and a question number 7. Let's do it together. It says here shapes with 4 sides. So here we want to circle the shapes that match. Circle the shapes that match the rule. What is the first rule here? It says shapes with 4 sides. Shapes with 4 sides. So, shapes with 4 sides, what does it mean? It means only we can take shapes with 4 sides. With 4 sides. Not more than 4 sides or fewer than 4 sides. So let's highlight the word with 4 sides. Okay? Now let's do it together. Now with 4 sides means we want them to be just 4 sides. Now we have here a triangle. Does a triangle has 4 sides? No, it has 3 sides, so we will not circle it. And here also this one we will not circle it. Now let's see the other shapes. Here this is a rectangle. So a rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and the sides of a rectangle are never equal. Only in the square we can find equal sides, not the rectangle. So we will circle the rectangle because it's a shape with 4 sides. Let's see the other shape, this one. the rhombus. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here this shape is with 4 sides. Let's circle it, okay? Now the last shape here. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually a rhombus too. So we have here a shape with 4 sides, which is a rhombus. Okay. So we circle it. Let's see question number 7. Shapes with fewer, I want to highlight it. Okay, so highlight it with me, please. Shapes with fewer than 4 angles. Shapes with fewer than 4 angles. So we mean shapes with 3 angles, because with fewer than 4 angles, what is the number that is fewer than 4? 3. Okay, so here let's see triangles, because the triangle is the only shape that has 3 angles. Let's circle the triangles here. This is a triangle, and this is another triangle, and this is the third triangle. Now I want you to notice something so important. They look different. They are different triangles, but they are still triangles, okay? So this is very important. They look different in size, different in the form of angles, but I want you to know that at the end, they are triangles with 3 angles, and 3 sides. Okay? Now let's see the last question we have for today. It says, draw 3 shapes that match the rule. Circle them, then draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule. Okay? So I want you to think about this question, okay? And you will find the answer in the next